What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. Today we're tying something small, something very simple, but sometimes this is the right medicine when it comes to sea trout fishing. It's a small crustacean, shrimp, gammarus type thing in white, but you can of course do whatever you want with the colors. You won't be using a lot of materials, just a little bit of marabou, a rib and some easy shrimp eyes, and that's basically it. Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. Please do consider to subscribe to the channel while you're here. If you're not new here and you're not subscribed, then what the hell are you even doing? I'm just kidding. But the subs really do help my channel a bit, so please do consider that. Let's jump down to the vise here and tie out this little critter. So for the tail, you will be needing just a tiny amount of marabou. Just pluck it out straight out of the plume. The hook in the vise here is from Eric's Hooks. It is the NS150 in a size 10, in case you're wondering. It's called the curved shrimp, actually, to be very precise. So just tie in a small tail there. Tie this in all the way up. You can use that. It will just add to the bugginess of this fly. Just like that. Let's get a rib. In this case I will be using some oval tinsel in silver, but of course you can use other colors, other stuff, some monofilament, pearl tinsel, whatever. Then you want to grab another one, or the last bit of your feather here, because I want to have some sort of a shell back on this one. So just find a good place. Don't throw this away, you can use that for other flies. But I do want to prepare the feather a little bit like this. So what you do here is just to tie it in all the way up in front, and then just kind of pull it backwards like whoa, like this. All the way back. And then if you guys have guessed it, that I am currently in some sort of a marabou rage. I made a fly the other day, the steelhead one, and that really made me fall back in love with marabou, I guess you could say. It's kind of, when you're first starting out with fly tying and all that, marabou is one of the first materials you will get or be able to purchase, because it's so cheap and it's just a really great material. Doesn't always have to be the most expensive capes and saddles. So what I did here was to tie in some of these easy shrimp eyes, but in a way that they kind of look like something on a nymph. And these are pink because I think it looks really good. Like that. So what you want to do here is to grab this marabou feather and then kind of twist it like this, and then just work it up all the way to the eyes here. Catch it. And then snip off that part here that you don't need. Clean this up just a little bit. Like that. This is looking really buggy already, as you can see here. So what you can do here is just to brush out a little bit of the marabou that might be trapped underneath there. Grab some more. Not this one, it's ugly. Let's get some of those that I pulled out here. Because I kind of want to have like a small scout bag on top of there. Just like this. Leave these. Yeah, they will just add to the movement of the fly. When you're happy with the length, just tighten that down. Twist that up as well. Catch that rib. Get that first turn in. So, whoop. I'm just seeing I made a mistake here. It's the wrong way around. I was just about to set the record for the fastest video on this channel. But I guess not today. It of course needs to go this way around. And then these fibers you want a little bit shorter than the tail. I thought it looked weird. I was just, yeah, keep that in front there because that'll do this and that. I guess you could do that. It kind of looked cool, but that's not what I wanted anyway, so here we go. Trim this off. Like that. And if you look at it like this, this actually looks kind of cool. Even the way it looks here. That was just an insight of my thought process. Sometimes I'll just sit and look at a pattern like this and then just think to myself, this could be kind of cool. If you look at it like this looks fishy as hell. At least it does to me. So let's grab that rib again. Hold this back. Okay. The first turn is always the hardest. So get that turn in. Where the hell? Here we go. Sorry my language there. That's a little bit annoying. Kind of threw myself off a little bit. See if I can get this in here. Like so. Trim off the rib. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at it like this, I actually think, and the rib broke. Man, I'm really in a phase here. I mean, the rib broke yesterday as well in the video, or the hackle did, not the rib. So now I have to open this up. Catch it again. Secured probably this time. Properly. Trim it off again. And then what I wanted to say, I wanted to brush out this on the belly here just a little bit to make it look like little legs or something like that. So there we go. And then I wanted to say, looking at it like this, I kind of think I want to add in that on top, which I was talking about, so I will just do that. Turn this here off, but I don't need. Here we go. Let's get a bit finishing before I destroy anything else here. Trim that off. And that there is the finished fly. This looks cool. I bet this will move a lot in the water. Yeah. I'm happy with that. That's the fly there. A little bit different than I wanted it to be in the beginning, but I think it turned out a little bit better. So thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of the links down below up here for the fly tying music and the merch and all those kind of things. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the next video.